welcome to Chad's Silversmithing. Today's video is a quick tip. If you find it useful, or you find it entertaining, or you find that it's something that other people would find useful, I'd appreciate it if you'd share it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Let's get started. Okay, today's quick tip concerns those situations when you've accidentally put too much solder into some particular spot and you don't know how to get rid of it. One of the tricks I learned to do that a long time ago has to do with this twisted wire, which I made a video of just a while back. It can act as a wick to draw out excess solder because the two wires are twisted around each other, and so there's a continual surface in between the two of them which acts like a wick when you have liquid solder. And so if I, in theory, on this piece of sheet here, I've loaded it up with a whole bunch of solder, way too much that I would need to solder something down. And so if I flux this up and then I heat this thing up to the flow point and touch it to that solder, it should draw some of that solder up into this piece of twisted wire, removing it from that spot there. Now we'll see if this actually works today. So I'll light my torch here, and then get this thing all fluxed so it has a maximum ability to get solder to stick to it. Okay, and I think what I'll do is I'm going to heat this one a little bit here, but I'm also going to get that hot so it doesn't have as far to go when I do touch this down there. But soonish, and if you watch that, it'll be a little bit hard to tell on video, but about 80% of that puddle got sucked up into this this twisted wire here, just because of the twist in it and the flux on it. So that makes it a lot less solder to clean up later when you're working on a piece if you've accidentally put too much on there. So I found some success with this. It's not a perfect solution when you have too much solder, but it does help to get rid of a significant amount if you got way too much on there. So hope that is a useful tip for you. If you did find it useful, I'd love it if you would like this video and maybe share it with someone else who would find it useful, and of course subscribe to my channel for more stuff like this. So thanks again, and happy silversmithing.